Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll walk you through how to create poll on your WhatsApp. Watch the video to end. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? Can you watch the video to end so that you not mix any information or any steps on this video? Let's start. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? You launch a WhatsApp like this. When you launch a WhatsApp here, you then go to any group you belong to or a group that you want to create that poll. So I want to create this. So please follow the steps to end so that you not mix any steps. So let's go. So you click on the group you want to create the poll. Here you see down here, see there's a circle where the camera is. You see there's a circle. You click on it. There's option will appear here, or menu will appear here. You have document, camera, whatever, audio, quick reply, location, contact. So you see poll here, poll near the event. You click there. Here, then that you ask the poll or the question that you want to ask. So this is the question I want to ask. So when do you think we will get our certificate? So the option you put January 2025. This is a for tutorial. Here you can put up to 25 questions. So here it depends the question that you ask. So it depends. So mine is, when do you think you get a certificate? So yours will be different from mine. So it doesn't mean that you should all pick the same question or the same listing. So yours will be different from mine. So here, after you finish, or you then click submit. You see, allow multiple answers. So here you click submit, and it has submitted. So the group members will start commenting. This is how to do this. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.